You're still watching the City of Lagos TV show. Today on our interview segment, we'll be focusing on a very strategic ministry in the City of Lagos. And that ministry is the Ministry of Science and Technology. It's my pleasure to welcome the Honorable Commissioner for the Ministry of Science and Technology, Akeem Bukwola Farm. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
So quickly, can you share with us what is the strategic mandate, vision and mission statement of the Ministry of Science and Technology?
In a nutshell, to promote the use of technology in the state, we use the latest technology available to power the state. As the third pillar of the themes agenda, we're in the same pillar with education, which is the education and technology pillar. But if you really look at it from a global perspective, technology is like the bedrock of the pillar. Lagos State has over 22 million people, and the population continues to grow. And we can no longer be doing business as usual. We really have to leverage the power of technology. So that's where we come in. We provide support for so many initiatives within the state. We have the campus infrastructure to allow employees to work together, to collaborate, take advantage of technology. We've deployed wireless connectivity at Alausa campus, which is being used, again, to access most of the resources available to the state. Now, we're also reaching out to the citizens. Most of what we're doing, we're pushing them to the outside world so that, there will be no need for citizens to come to Alausa to enjoy the services provided by the state. They can do it from the comfort of their homes, they can do it from the comfort of their offices or wherever, anywhere they have access to the internet, they'll be able to access whatever we have. Now, our mission is also to promote science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in the state because it's very important. The path to progress for any state or for any country is through education. Education is very important. And the governor has invested heavily into education. So where do we come in? We are going to provide connectivity to all the schools so that the administrative work, the process of delivering online educations to students will be provided through the network of fiber optics that we're deploying all over the state. And we're going to see quite a lot of improvement in service delivery. When you look at Nigeria today and put Lagos in focus, you see that the adoption of technology is very high. A lot of people are using smartphones. Now, smartphones, it's not only for WhatsApp, it's not only for email, it's not only to shoot videos. You can use your smartphone to conduct your business. It's that important. So we're going to provide the enabling environment to make sure that we put traffic on that information highway, which will enable our citizens to really enjoy the services that the government has to offer.
What are the major significant achievements of this ministry since you came on board as a commissioner?
The added value, when you look at it, which I initiated, the Safer Lagos initiative. And what does that mean? We want Lagos to be a safe state, a safe city. So we're installing CCTV cameras at different areas that we've identified as hotspots. So this will allow the law enforcement agencies to monitor those areas. It will allow the first responders to be able to see a particular location before dispatching emergency vehicles or dispatching ambulances to the areas. This will provide a safe environment. If you look at it, security is very important. It gives us a peace of mind. Lagos State is the smallest in size in Nigeria, yet it contributes the largest share of VAT to the economy. But we still want to expand on that. We want to increase the IGR of the state. We're going to automate the land management system using the EGIS platform. And this will enhance the way we do that business. There will be no need to come to Alausa to register properties. Everything will be available online. We're going to make it a lot convenient for people because it is important for us to free the time that people will take, to go on transportation coming here. They can do it in the comfort of their home or office, and in the process, it will lead to enhanced revenue for the state. We also need to find a way to get feedbacks from the citizens. We have a platform, the Citizens Gate, which is being overhauled now, and once it's done, people will be able to communicate with the state using WhatsApp, the web, mobile devices. They can reach out, lodge complaints, also make commendations on what we're doing. There's a lot the governor is doing to make this a very interesting state.
What is the level of capacity build-up for the Ministry of Science and Technology?
We have a lot of people here, technically savvy, providing the services to the citizens, and will continue to provide the training necessary to keep them at the top of the technology. When you look at the state as a whole, definitely there's a digital divide. We need to really take seriously digital literacy. We really need to bring the citizens up to date. We have to make sure our children coming through the pipeline are ready for the new Digital 4.0 so that they'll be able to be digitally native in that environment. It's part of our mandate to create an educated Lagos, to create a smart Lagos, so that the Lagos that we live in will even be better Lagos tomorrow.
Honorable Commissioner, let's share your challenges, because running a ministry of this nature, there must be some challenges, and how are you able to overcome them?
Definitely, there are challenges. And when you look at Nigeria, anytime there's an impact or there's a change in the exchange rate, it really impacts our services, because when you look at technology, most of the things that we use, our software licenses, hardware, we get them from abroad. So any change in foreign exchange will have an impact on our project delivery. So what do we need to do? As a nation, we're encouraging people to start developing codes. We're encouraging our suppliers to take advantage of local content, because in doing that, that will reduce our cost and we'll be able to do more.
It's been a wonderful time speaking with the Commissioner for Science and Technology, Lagos State. And of course, on a final note, sir, what's your future projection for the ministry, and possibly a word of assurance and encouragement to all stakeholders and to Lagosians in general?
I started with the CCTV deployment. We've covered certain parts of Alausa and also Ikeja. We're going to extend that to every part of the state. No one is going to be left behind, because we believe that technology is the way to go. In the area of education, we're going to make sure that we connect all the schools. There's not going to be any compromise in that. When you hear a lot about artificial intelligence, definitely we're going to leverage the power of artificial intelligence on some of the things that we're doing, because we believe that it's the way to go. If you look at our land management system, part of it is to take the aerial photographs of the state. So what we're doing, we're using an unmanned aerial vehicle, which some people call drones. But this one is based on artificial intelligence. We're going to see a lot in that direction. And I can assure you, the governor is committed to make sure that the state will continue along that path. That's why he's the digital governor of the year in Nigeria. We're working diligently to move the state forward. And whatever we're doing is for the benefits of the people residing in the state, because we believe that technology is the way to go. Technology will solve a lot of our problems, but technology cannot do it alone. We need people, we need process, and that is where you all come in. So please, we need your support. We will provide the enabling environment. We want you to take advantage of the services that we're providing so that we all can continue to move our state forward. Thank you.
Honorable Commissioner, Science and Technology, Akeem Popola Farm has been our guest on the City of Lagos TV show. The City of Lagos TV show will continue in a moment.